Alright, 5 to the 5, then 5 to the 8. Gonna be looking at the bottom 1. Inside. 4 back to the 8, and then you got about a 30 car length gap. Went back, you'll be looking at the bottom into 3 here. Inside. All clear. Next 4, first 2 are about 8 apart, and then the next one's 3 behind that. Back to the first one there. Five back. First one's a 45. We'll be looking at the bottom and the 1. Then back to the 19. Clear for a second here. Next 3 are about 4 apart. Then you got about a straightaway. 2 back, same thing, look at the bottom here. Inside, first one. 1 back, bottom, coming inside, 11. 54 is following him. Alright, here comes the 54. After the 54, you're good for a little bit. All clear here. All right, 12 to go into stage. There's 2 of us that are 1 down, the 24th and us. And he's way back in the back right now where he came up there ready. He's at the line now. Ten back to the 7. Three to the 7. Then 15 back to the 1. All right, here comes the 7 inside. Clear when you see him there. Ten back 1, 20, and then 5 to the 2. Inside here, inside. 3 to the 20. 1 back, here he comes, inside. 4 to the 2, 8 to the 22. Inside. 5 back, 22, 5 to the 12. 24 is going to catch us there too. Coming inside, inside. 5 to the 12. 1 back, coming inside now. Inside, 8 to the 48, 10 to the 24. 2 back. Inside. 8 to the 24, and then about 30 back to the next 2. Inside off the corner here. Inside. 8 more at the line here. All clear. Back 77. Coming inside here. About 10 back to the 9 and 5 back. They're all running the bottom right here. 1 inside. 4 back. 2 to the 99 here. Running the bottom. Coming inside here. Inside. 8 back, 42 and 10. 2 back, 42 and 10. Coming inside here, nose to tail. There's the first one, here comes the second one. He's running middle groove there. All clear. Right front. 5 more laps there, 5. 2 back. 1 coming inside right here. Inside. 6 back to 14. 2 back. Be coming inside into 1 here. Inside. 10 back to the next. All of them are together here. First one's 21 coming inside here. Inside. Then top of 3 for a second here. Now good. 5 back 16. 2 back. Coming inside. Five back next to 2. They're 4 apart. 2 more laps here. 2. 1 coming inside off the corner here. Quarterback, here he comes inside. Next one inside. Four back 71. I mean 6 back there. Coming back green, white checker here. Caution should be coming out pretty quick. Caution's out. 1 licking inside here.